Yeah guys, so I had to show you all this. We're back at the Stokes field. The Stokes Hall Great House. This is not the Stokes field, the Stokes field is on the flat. But in the last video guys, as you remember the Stokes Hall video, I did not show you all this. This is the next section of the house coming out here. If you see the columns, you can see that this had came all the way out here. And check out this. It's all the way down. So I wonder if there were dungeons or anything under this. Godfrey. Yeah guys, we would really love to see that if there were dungeons under this. So I'm not going to tell you if I'm going to film it or not. Let me know if you all want to see down here guys, because this is a construction going all the way down to the ground. So maybe there next floors down there and we are going to check that out. Godfrey, underground there, you know? Underground? Yeah, come here. Look down there, sir. You see when we come up here, it never trimmed down? Yeah. Look how far the house gone down.
Where you said that's going on, you're not wrong, you know. All of them building our building up. Then they have to build with the first floor down.
Yeah.
First floor.
You see down there still?
Yeah.
You want to go down there?
Yeah, we'll go down.
Come here.
Go walk around there.
Come on, we'll go down there.
Down all great man for people. Yeah, history walk and history talk. That is it. Oh, yeah,
yeah guys, so I'm gonna be showing y'all how down here stay, because I just think there's an underground. I'm building good over in a bush over there, so, you know. Yeah, on a more detailed level, because doing this, you know guys, we need to can get the information on a more detailed level. So if there anyone watching who have information, anyone who do history, archaeology, any one of them things, let me know please, because
no problem,
we're at Stokes Hall and this is the underside of the wall that we just saw. So you realize that for them literally build up to build the house, you know.
Yeah man.
No, I think them up underground, but on yesterday entrance there.
Yeah, the entrance with them, yes.
I think them would have a window or something around here.
But, you know,
But them don't have none.
let's take a stop now. I just said, look here, come here.
The crack up there, sir.
The window, yeah.
One window there? Yeah guys, that's the wall guys. Look in there if you can see something in there.
Yeah.
The camera will see better than you. Yes man, always. It's nothing in there, just there. Dirt. Gone up and gone over. What could I do in this, sir? What you feel like doing this, sir, Godfrey?
It have underground as you would have suggest, man, to me.
Right.
No doubt, but here we go on and
yeah man, we not go so far running up. Come go. Okay. Okay. You see the next one? Yeah, the camera see better in there. You will now see it. Guys, look at this. See this? May I find metal here, bro?
next one up at top there, so Alex.
May I bring this with me now? Guys, you know me always collect souvenir. I bring this with me. This more, yeah?
You know?
They might have a metal, some shop they do down here, so something they do down here, so, you know? Because they don't just build up for no reason. Yeah, because them say part right wash away. That means I don't have the water that run.
The whole infrastructure way. When we go back up the summer, I go.
So I see why why them build the dam out there out at the front. Because water that run down here, sir.
The dam.
Water that run down in the bottom down there, sir.
Down in the gully.
Yeah, down in the gully there. Point down there again.
You know they're not.
Yeah man, down in the gully there. Yeah. So that's why them put the dam up at the front. Guys, I'm gonna show you the dam that they had. Then we get water, so we can find construction down here. So anytime, if just in case we search, we may find something like a water wheel where you used to pump the water up the hill. On the front. I can see we can walk us go back up front.
Yeah man, you can think stuff. deep.
Truck
Alright,
there
now,
too.
as me and meditate and me I look same and we have to. You notice the ear hole end up on the higher side.
On the higher side.
Yeah, no, ear hole not up on that side. Yeah.
Underground is there. I go do one dungeon it under there.
See,
Place where they keep prisoner.
and you see, go on, you see as how me I observe this now. Look at something there now. This is a giant building. Look on it.
Yeah.
Look.
It's a look like them a cellar or something. Let me get them from a wide angle.
These structures them they have built.
Yeah guys, if y'all check out this, y'all can see that this building was joined. It would be like one cell here. It would be another cell here. When you come down, it's, don't get me wrong, it doesn't have to be a prison, but there were different rooms. Here's another one. And they were small. These couldn't have been bedrooms. Here's another column. Here's another column. And then this is the picture that I got, guys, why I knew that I didn't see everything, because I didn't see this the first time I came here. This keyhole structure. It looks like a keyhole.
This goes down, Alex.
Yeah, this is a step right here.
Step entering down.
Hold the camera for me.
It's full up.
Let me show them something.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yes, my brother.
Yeah guys, so as I'm saying, this is a step right here, guys, where you just step down.
Yes. Coming
Go
down
into the building.
into the building.
You understand?
Yes. And
So it was filled up. I think it was like a, because these up here look like they were all cells. I'm not sure what they were. I'm not saying they were cells, but it looks, because the size of them look like they were cells, bordered by column walls.
column what?
Alright, this one right here.
Is a little, this
One
part
right here
is
looks
a
like a cooking area.
partition or something.
Same like the Calbeck Castle.
Yeah.
Come on.
Sorry.
Same like the Calbeck Castle. This one looks like a cooking area, because we have a next partition right here. I'm gonna show you that one. Come on, God. Underground there, you know.
Yeah, man.
There is no way. One underground there, and then place are just gone down in a hole.
And even, I mean, I notice all them little cut out there. Them little cut out them, general.
Them little cut out in the thing.
the wall as you see them entering down. So, you see, look now, Alex. Come back here. So now this is it. You see, observe our side, the first ear hole. The first ear hole I come down at the step out. So when you
It will lead to, you see through the ear hole.
It could be a lookout ear hole.
Yes, it could be a gun hole. It could be a gun hole, because them have gun hole all about in the building. Yes, a lot of gun holes in the building.
Thank you.
Alright.
Thank you very much. And then again, when we are looking for bro, G, see, this was like the wall, but building the step on it, you know.
Yeah, yeah, it go up, because this would be one cell, one next room here, so. You see me? The whole of them have some.
Yeah. But as you see, a board did build some of the building. Yes, yes, partition, different partitions. You see me? Greatness, man. Look at that, my people. Yeah.